Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers Mystery Kit reveal. Today we're going to be going through the September collection, which I have both the weekly and the decorative, hiding under these gorgeous vellums that are kind of giving us a sneak that we're looking at some winter here, guys, which is exciting. So let me say a quick little intro first, just in case this happens to be your first video that you're clicking on of mine. Hi, my name's Cassie and I share planner-related content here. I love all things stickers and journaling and stationery. So I come on here on YouTube and share it all with you guys. And luckily for me, a lot of you like to see that stuff. So you give me a nice space to be able to share. So thank you for popping by my channel, whether you're new here and this is your first video, or if you have been waiting for me to come back. Thank you so much for waiting for me. I've had such a warm welcome back. And so I really appreciate all of you who have been hanging out and waiting, or any of you who are new and just checking out my content. Typically, when I was in my groove, I would share, my mysteries. Plan with me's have been very rare, but hopefully I'll get more of those up. I also share hauls. I have a huge haul that will be coming, and I have, I think, 4 months of mysteries that I'm catching up on right now. So we're going to get there. Bear with me. Hopefully you enjoy this content. If you're looking for more plan with me, journal with me, that'll probably be up in a few months here. So just bear with me. Hopefully you enjoy this type of thing and you want to hang out and watch this video. If not, totally understand. If this isn't your thing, I will have some other stuff up soon. So for all of you who do want to see this gorgeous kit, let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at it. So first up, we have our vellums, which this month they're a little bit different. Sometimes they are like one big sheet cut into 2. Sometimes they're separate and different like this, which is fun. So this month we have this gorgeous like soft plaid with kind of a watercolor effect to it. And then we also have a like alcohol ink watercolor kind here. I feel like the color isn't picking up quite as pretty on camera. It's definitely a really pretty blue. It kind of looks gray on camera, but it's a really pretty blue. So we've got like blue and tan cozy winter colors, in my opinion, which if we look at this kit, it just screams cozy for me. So let's see here. It is foiled in silver, which I feel like is perfect for winter. Our quote box says winter whispers in shades of white and blue. I love that, and it's so true. I feel like sometimes even the snow can have like a blue tint to it, I don't know. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. I don't live in a state that really gets a lot of snow anymore, but I grew up where there was a lot of snow. So I'm very familiar with like how snow looks and how it can look with the different sunlight on it or evening light, I feel like sometimes it can glow kind of blue. All right, please let me know, somebody in the comments, that I'm not crazy. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, so up in our left-hand corner box here, we've got this really beautiful scene. There's like a little bit of a pond out front and this ice skater on the pond in front of this really pretty estate. And then we've got like the inside cozy with the boots. This is really fun. It's like one of those vintage text with the snowflakes, but it's like vertical, which is really cool. And then of course our beautiful florals. And then we got another cozy scene with this little love seat. Look at that like outdoor scene. I'm sorry, my dogs are barking. I think they just got fed and the one barks at the other one when they're eating. Super annoying. Okay, this scene is so cute with like the mommy deer and the baby deer. Isn't that adorable? And the little blue scarf. And then we've got this, okay, yeah, it's inside. It almost looked like this was outside because it kind of looks like snow, but it is an inside scene with the chairs and the little tea set. That's adorable. And then we have the trees and the bunny. Oh, there's 2 bunnies. Look at how cute they are. So adorable. Okay, hang on. I've got to get these dogs to be quiet. 1 second. Okay, sorry. These dogs, I'm telling you. And then my house is like super echoey because we have hardwoods downstairs, like an LVP style flooring upstairs, and I haven't gotten a lot of like area rugs yet, and so everything is just like super echoey in this house. It's like huge and echoey, so it's extra obnoxious when my dogs are barking now with no carpet. Okay, page 2, we have our boxes page. So we've got our circles and ovals, squares and rectangles, our midi boxes, quarter boxes, third boxes. Same format as always, so I don't need to spend too much time on that. And then page 3 is our layering page. So we've got some deco. Oh my gosh, look, there's a little s'more. Was there a s'more in these boxes and I missed it? No, I don't think there was, but I think that's a super cute addition. So a cute little s'more there. And this little box. Oh, look at, there's little like bows on the wood. That's so cute. You got your watercolor boxes. Oh, there's more gingham. There's plaid and gingham. I am a fan. So you've got your torn papers, you've got some torn grid papers, your Polaroids that are cut out in the middle, and then some little watercolor swatches. Oh, look at this bottom washi. How pretty is that? I love this like divider. I know we've had this in the community for a couple years, I feel like, and like it changes for the different seasons, but it is one of my favorites. And then the trace foiling on the florals with just like that soft background. And then you've got your lace washi and dividers, that fun pattern on these headers, and then a plain header and your days of the week. So that's the 4-page base kit. I said basic kit, base kit. And then we have all the add-ons. So this is our deco page. Got a pretty snow globe. Oh, look at that. These florals are so like dainty, I feel like. They're like blue, but just like barely blue. So pretty. And you've got these like fun s'mores things. You've got, looks like maybe some cider with some cinnamon. Even the blue key is like super pretty. Oh, that's fun. There's like a little picture of the house in the envelope. And this really pretty like dresser with that same snow, well, it's a different scene, but a little snow globe. So cute. Oh, that has like blue gingham too. Isn't that adorable? I don't know if you can see that. Am I holding it too close? All right, I'm a little rusty, guys. Just bear with me, okay? Get my groove back here. Okay, here is the floral page. You can see the 2 floral washi strips and then all these bouquets, which are really like robust. I feel like they're really like full, you know. Some bouquets aren't as full, but these are like really full. And then you do get some little like watercolory looking pine cones. I love those. And then all the little piecey stuff. And then, see, they were out of order. I don't think I put it out of order. Interesting, because that's 7 and now this is 6. Sorry, we went out of order, but that's okay. This is the journaling page, so you've got kind of more of your functional journaling, so some boxes and tapes and stamps and frames, torn paper, all kinds of fun stuff, a couple smaller bouquets. So these are a little bit smaller, I think, than the bouquets on here. Yeah, which is nice because you've got, you see the size difference in these. So you've got some size variety, which is really nice. I'm gonna put it back in order. And then, oh, I guess I should use one of these. This is the alcohol ink. This is on washi paper. So you've got some kind of gray blues and tan beige colors to match the collection. And then lastly for this, you have the foil add-on. Always such a wonderful addition to these. You got like little hanging snowflakes, some blowing snowflakes, the little bunnies. I love the bunnies so much. And then the birch trees. Love them. And you got more of the deer. So pretty. So that is everything for the weekly. So if you are subscribed to weekly, this is the number of pages you would get. You get 9 pages. Obviously, it's going to vary from month to month as far as what you're getting, but artwork-wise and color-wise, but this is what you would be getting. And then our decorative collection. Yes, we have the same foiled add-on. You can see that as I'm taking it out here. So our decorative collection, we have, page 1 is our flowers. So just our kind of bigger individual floral pieces. Page 2 is our bouquets with that splatter foil. This is also in silver. The foils are always the same from like weekly and decorative because it's the same collection, right? So I guess I don't need to say it twice, but I will, I guess. I did. Okay, this is our elements page. Look at those little mittens. I want some mittens like that with the flowers on them. They're so cute. So you've got some similar deco to what was in here, but some of this is a little bit different, I feel like. I don't think we had that in the weekly. I really like this little tea set here. That is adorable, and I'm loving the browns and blues. I'm definitely very into brown. See, I just got my nails done today, and I was like, I want brown, and I saw this thing where there was like kind of nudish pink. I think we should have gone with a little bit more opaque, but that's okay. And then just like a little design. So love my nail lady. She did a great job. And I'm here for the brown, so. All right, these are my Thanksgiving nails. I feel like they look like Thanksgiving, right? They also match this kit like perfectly, and I did not plan that, so it's great. Okay, anyway, enough about my nails. This is our edges, and we have 1, 2, 3 like solid edges, and then you've got 2 little baby corners, which are adorable and perfect. I love the size of those. There is some foiling over top of them. You've got some foiled snowflakes and like that splatter foil, and then in the middle, she has put a bunch of PC florals, cotton, all the fun things. And then our layered page, I say this every time, but the layered one is always like my favorite page. So we've got a little scene up here, and then the foiled birch trees. Love that with a floral. We got a little lantern. Actually, I mean, it looks like a little lantern type of thing, but it's more like a snow globe because there's a little tree in there. I love the bow on there too. And that's a really cool candle. It looks like a ball of yarn. That's fun. And then here, she's kind of layered a couple different things with like the wood basket, a little suitcase, and then the little bunny. Look at the little bunny just peering in there. He's so cute. And then a little like tart, some fun outdoor like outfit. and more like journaly stuff. Oh, there's another little bunny. He's just like peeking by the vase. I just love how she like stuck the little bunnies in there. Oh, and then she has a little snowflake hanging off the side of the cup as if it's like a tea bag. That is so clever, Alicia. I love that so much. Did you do that because it looks like a tea bag? If you're watching this, please tell me if that's what you did that for, because it totally looks like a little tea bag. Okay, this is our paper strips. I don't know why I want to say scraps. Kind of like scraps of paper. We've got the pretty gingham and the plaid. Love so much. 2 different plaids too, actually. And then we have our florals. Well, floral background, whatever. And then we have our days and dates. So days of the week. And then our date dots on the bottom here. Usually when I use these, I will find a foiled number that I can put over it, because I wish these were foiled. Alicia, would you ever consider foiling them, or is that too much of a pain in the butt? Because I think they'd be so pretty foiled. Sometimes it's hard to see when they're just like white. Okay, this is borders, kind of like our edges, but you got the 2 longer ones, and then you have like 3 more edges essentially. Pretty snowflake pattern for your foil. And then we have the large scenes. So we've got that cozy indoor scene. I just love that like backyard with all the trees and snow. And then this one, which kind of looks maybe like an entryway where you've like set your boots, and then it's just like a little nice spot to sit and put your boots on, you know, and peer out the cute little window. And then these are our boxes, which are similar or the same. These are the same. These are the same. This is the same, and this is the same. So the boxes are pretty much the same this go around. And obviously you don't get all the same boxes because there's only 4 with like the scenery, and then the other ones are just longer. These, if you get this on washi paper, because you can also get it on transparent, you can always tear these, which is really nice, because sometimes these are like too thick for what I want to use, but then I can rip them in half and it still has that organic edge, like ripped edge on it. So that's what I will typically do with those. And then we have our swatches. Swashes. I always want to say swatch. Do you call them swatch or swash? Let me know. Okay, this has the pretty floral pattern with the pine cones with that like nice muted kind of watercolor looking background. And then we have the foiled add-on, which is the same as the weekly kit that we looked at with that one. So you get double, which is great if you're subscribed to both. So that's everything for September, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I would love if you consider subscribing to my channel too, if you haven't already. I kind of said this out of order, so we're just going to go with it. But I also do want to just mention I am on Sadie Stickers PR team. So while you can't use it on the mystery, you can use my code on anything else in her shop. It's Cassie20, and you can mention my name in the notes to seller to get my freebie. So if you are shopping for anything else, feel free to do that. It does stack when things are on sale, which is amazing. So if you are like every week when her releases come out on Tuesdays and Fridays, they're 10% off, and then you can stack my code to save an additional 20%. So that's the best way to get stuff if you want, because it's going to be the cheapest for you. So, and we all know we have an addiction to this, right? So the more we can save, the more we can buy. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. I really appreciate all of you hanging out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Bye.